Hey everyone, welcome to Spilled Paint Furniture Flippers. In this video, watch us take this outdated vintage dresser and give it a whole new life. We started by updating these doors by removing all the chunky, outdated decorative molding. Now sometimes these decorative moldings are difficult to remove. You just have to keep at it and eventually they do come off. Now, one cool thing we found is if we don't damage the moldings, we can sell them on Facebook Marketplace, and people do buy them. So keep that in mind. Instead of throwing them away, they can be kept. So you'll see here what we decided to do is actually add pull wrap to the doors. And what we need to do is we pre-cut the pull wrap to the doors. And then just added some wood glue here, and then you'll see how we add the pull wrap right directly to the doors, and it's quite easily done. So here we're using the pin nailer to nail the pull wrap to the doors so that it's secure. So now the doors are all ready to paint. And here now they're in the spray room, going in for the first coat of black paint. So I forgot to video when we primed the piece, but anyway, the whole piece is primed now. And you'll see here the first coat of black paint is being sprayed on with our spray gun. So we'll do the entire piece one coat, let it dry, and come back and do another coat. Usually scuff sand a little bit in between coats, just to knock off any fluff balls or anything like that. So here it is after several coats of black paint, and now you'll see that we masked off the top so that the top didn't get any paint on it, because we will be staining that. So now we're applying a coat of dark stain to the entire piece, and you'll see that we'll wipe it off afterwards. I should say we're just adding the stain to the top of the dresser. So here we're applying a coat of polyurethane. The key is to move quickly so that the edges are always wet, and then your last strokes should be in the direction of the grain. We apply several coats of polyurethane. Okay, here we're drilling holes for the hardware. trained to make sure that the handle is centered and lines up perfectly. Okay, now it's time to drill the holes for the handles. Now to assemble the handles onto the doors. And voila! And here's what it looks like done. And this is just to show you other parts of the dresser. And let's take a look back at the before photo and what it looks like now. What do you think? This project was a lot of work, but a lot of fun. Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.